All right, so this is a Silverado 1500 Apex Chevy, and this one is lifted. But what we're gonna do today is do some things with the remote, and we'll see some different features like pulling down the trunk. So, for starters, here's your key. You lock it. Okay? Then for 5 seconds, you're gonna hold this down. Starts the car, which is great. Now, let's see if this turns off the car. So we're gonna start by holding this down, and car's off. Okay, and now we're at the trunk. Let's see. It says 2 times, and there it goes. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right. Okay, so there's no way to bring it back up, but that's okay. Just bring it up yourself. Another thing about the 1500 Silverado is when you go in the back seat, what do you have? Got a regular back seat, it's all nice, but you got these extra bits of storage. Just put whatever you got to do in there, which is cool, which is nice.